want to see how it works? This lever here, right? This controls how high or low you cut the grass. That's this lever. This lever here engages the blade so it starts going. Otherwise it's just driving but it's not cutting. So you wait till almost last before you put that in. Now on the other side is the gears. It's in neutral now. You can go reverse or first, second, third. I put it in first when I'm going around corners just to slow down a little bit, but if I'm on a straightaway, then you can go up here a little more. I'll leave it in neutral now. You got to have your foot on the brake. This has got to be in neutral. And the blade has to be disengaged. Put the key in.